Morning children, welcome to today's class. In last class we learned plane shapes and I had also given you a homework. So you had to fill up C and D. Yes, so in C you can see two sides are long and two sides are short. So totally 1, 2, 3, 4 straight sides, 4 corners. And this is a rectangle. Then we saw this a three-sided figure. 3 corners, 3 straight sides. This is a triangle. Today we're going to learn another topic, and that's solid shapes. So you can put the date on this page. Solid shapes. Now here we're going to learn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes. We're going to learn 5 shapes. Now look at the first one. They have given an example of a dice. Yes, a dice. I don't have a picture of a dice, but in a dice all the sides are equal. It's just a square, but it's a protruding one. Yes, it has 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, it's just a square, but it has 6 sides. It's a 3-dimensional figure. You can see I'm saying this is a cube. It looks like a dice. It has flat faces. These are called the flat faces. You can see 1 is a flat face, 4 is a flat face, 6, and the other side you have some number, and underneath they are the flat faces. They have straight edges. They have straight edges and they also have corners. Okay, that is a cube. This is a cube, an example of a cube. Ice cube is also an example of cube. Okay, next one is a cuboid. Next one is a cuboid. An example for a cuboid, I can take this book. I can show you this book. See, it has flat face. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has straight edges on all the sides. Yes, it also has corners like the cube, but this has a longer surface. This is an example of a rectangle, but a protruding, a dimensional rectangle, a cuboid. Okay, you can take book. You can take this cartridge holder. This is also an example of a cuboid. You can take this pencil box, which is also an example of a cuboid. It has flat face, straight edges. It has corners. Yes, they are examples of a cuboid. A cuboid is longer than a cube. Both have 6 sides. It's longer than a cube. Next one is your very famous ball, an example of a sphere. An example of a sphere. I also have one more example which you like the most, a lollipop. A lollipop also has a spherical shape only. The sweet is in a spherical shape inside. Yes, this is a sphere. It looks like a ball. It has only one curved surface. It has no edges, no corners. We saw the same point for circle also. But you can see it is protruding all the sides. We also say the earth is spherical in shape. Yes. Another example, the next one we have cylinder. I have a Fevicol bottle here. You can see it has a flat surface on both sides. On both sides it has a flat surface. It has a curved face. It has a curved face. It is long. Okay, see, it looks like a drum. It looks like a drum. This is a cylinder. It looks like a drum. It has a curved face and 2 flat faces. That's a cylinder. Yes, another Fevicol bottle also I have over here. It has a curved face, flat face. This side is not so flat, but the side is flat. Okay, I can even show you the cello tape. See, it has a curved face. It has two flat sides. Even though they are open, but they are flat. It has two flat sides. That's an example of a cylinder. And the last figure is cone. Cone we mostly take into consideration is the ice cream. Cone we take into consideration is the ice cream. You see, an ice cream has a corner on top. It has a curved face, and it also has a flat face in which we fill the cream, the ice. The cold cream is filled into it. We eat it as an ice cream. Another example is a tent. Tent has a flat face. It has a curved surface. It has a corner. So this is a cone. An example for cone is tent or ice cream. Cone, the cone of the ice cream. Cylinder. The cylinder, another example is a very own cylinder, the gas that we use at home. That is also an example of cylinder. Then ball for sphere. Brick, wood, book are examples for cuboid, and dice example for cube. These are the 5 figures you're learning for this second standard. Cube, cuboid, sphere, cylinder, cone. Cone has 2 slanting lines and a flat surface, flat face. Then a cube and cuboid both have 6 sides, but one is taking the shape of a rectangle, one takes the shape of a square. A sphere has no edges, no corners. A cylinder looks like a drum. It has a curved face and 2 flat faces. Okay, so let's do the examples this side. Exercise. Example of a ball, told you, sphere. Look at this is a cuboid. An example of a box is a cuboid. It has 2 long sides, you can see, 4 long sides and 2 short sides. Then you can see this is straight and has 2 flat sides. It has a curved face. That is a cylinder. You look at this one, it has a corner, it has a curved face and a flat face in which the cream is filled. So that is a cone. We'll just recap these 5 are you going to do for homework. So all the sides are same. It is a cube. Again here 2 flat sides and a curved face. It is a cylinder. A battery is in a cylinder shape. This marble is in a sphere shape. Very good. Then we have the cone. It has a corner. It has a curved face and a flat surface. It looks like a cone. This book has a long face and short sides. It's an example of a cuboid. You can try this activity at home. You can take a piece of paper, your pencil, and take some things from the house. A flask, dice and book. Draw them onto your paper and then see what figure you are getting. These solid shapes you will get. You can name them. Yes, children. Thank you. Have a nice day.